It's in rough shape. The cabin is completely trashed and that fender is gone.
Think it can be saved?
Everything has a price, my friend, but this one will be high.
The engine might be salvageable, but the bodywork and interior damage are extensive. It will cost a fortune to restore.
All right, keep it coming straight. Slow now, watch your clearance. And stop, you're clear.
Hear that sound? It's solid here, but listen to this spot. That's deep corrosion.
We need to address the corrosion around this mount before we touch the wiring.
Okay, noted. What about the turbo assembly?
That can wait until the main structure is sound.
This is gonna take months, if we can even save it. The corrosion is deep.
The structural integrity here is completely compromised. And the chassis might be warped too. This is extensive.
Gently twist it counterclockwise. There's the red. Now lift it straight up.
Detach the blue wire here. Make sure to label it clearly before moving to the next one.
Gently twist it now. See the red right there. Careful with the spline. And lift.
Disconnect the main harness from the R8's infotainment module. Label A goes here.
Watch the edge on that R8. It needs to be flawless. Almost done. Just finishing the curve here.
Disassemble to sandal it.
It's extensive. We will need to sandblast this entire section before applying the rust converter.
The rust has really set in on these mounts. We'll need to carefully remove this wiring harness first, then address the flaking paint. see the rust creeping up the firewall. That's deep. We've got our work cut out for us with this wiring mess.
Rear suspension bolts, nice and organized.
Now we label the oil pan screws. Careful placement is key.
Front bumper bolts here. The door panel screws go in this section. We must keep the left and right side separate.
Just about finished with this edge. The rust is completely gone now.
Easy now, watch the clearance on the manifold. Steady, steady.
Okay, cylinder 3 is out. Make a note of the corrosion on that one. Already on the sheet for bank 1. Okay, she's seated. Clear the hoist.
Roger that. Handover complete. Loosen carefully.
Slowly but surely, the rust is coming right off these mounts.
Okay, gently release the tension on the pulley first, then we can slide the belt off.
And just like that, the cylinder head looks near new again. The V10 is going to purr.
Applying the oil ensures a smooth fit. Feel that glide. Absolutely perfect clearance on this bank. And now for the final polish. See how it compares to factory new. Absolutely perfect. Align perfectly, then apply the exact torque sequence. 45 Newton meters.
Look at that shine.
It's even better than factory new now.
Feel that. Incredibly smooth fit. The oil is doing its job perfectly.
We need to keep this organized.
Pistons 1 through 5 go here.
The brackets are next to the valves.
Steady now. We are looking for exactly 6 to 5 foot-pounds on this bank. Easy now, easy. Aligning the cap now. Ensure the torque is exact, following the sequence. All right, that's secure, fits perfectly.
Apply slow, steady pressure. Wait for the click. The torque is now set precisely to factory specifications.
We're applying the final torque sequence now. Listen for the click, ensuring precise tension across the manifold.
Okay, that's tight. Spin smoothly now.
Easy, just a few millimeters to the left. Okay, bring it down slowly now.
Connections double checked. Everything is secured. That's it, nice and snug. Now move to the center bolt and apply the final torque specification.
Perfect flow rate right there. Just what she needed. Just a hair to the left. All right, bring it down slowly now.
It's perfectly aligned. Nicely done.
Keep your passes smooth, overlap by 50%. That's it, nice and even. So smooth now. Just gliding over the surface, removing any imperfections before we apply the color.
Gently smooth the filler across the dent. Feather the edges carefully to blend with the paint.
Nice steady pull right across the panel. Overlap your previous pass by half. See that smooth finish?
Gauge confirms smoothness along the edges. The panel is fully prepped and ready for primer application.
Gently sanding the primer layer. Getting this edge perfectly smooth for the next coat. The reflections are absolutely perfect here. So smooth. A flawless finish.
Gentle circular motions, feel the smoothness. Look at that deep, wet shine coming through now.
Keep the gun straight, steady movement across the panel. Nice and even coats.
We're just removing the final dust particles now. The finish is absolutely flawless, as you can see.
The key to the second layer is maintaining this consistent speed. You want about a 50% overlap on the previous pass to get the perfect gloss.
Just gliding over the surface now. See that mirror finish coming through. Absolutely flawless.
Slow, steady pressure. Let the abrasives do the work. See how it clears up, leaving that perfect mirror finish.
The depth on this red is absolutely incredible. Look at that reflection, a true mirror finish. The bodywork is officially complete. Look at that finish.
It's flawless, ready for detailing.
Crisp and sharp, just as expected. Absolutely flawless.
Just a tiny imperfection right here. We'll smooth that out until it's absolutely flawless. Look at how deep that shine is. Absolutely perfect mirror finish right there.
We're just removing the final dust particles now. The finish is absolutely flawless, as you can see.
Perfect flow rate right there. Just what she needed.
The bodywork is finally complete. Looks perfect.
That looks good.
We can move it to detailing now. The bodywork is finally complete. Looks perfect.
That looks good.
We can move it to detailing now.
The paintwork is flawless, absolutely ready for the next stage.
Agreed. We can start reassembly tomorrow.
The gloss is perfect. Absolutely no imperfections visible.
Yeah.
Confirmed.
Yeah.
The surface is flawless.